Good morning guys, here we've got HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro and let me show you how to set up date and time on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select System and Updates and click on date and time over here. And now smoothly switch off automatic date and time. Now you can personalize it however you like. And also time. So smoothly by scrolling you can change both date and time. You can also apply some time zone that you wish to have, and that's it. Whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, just use the stop switcher. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.